me ask you something. When was the last time you noticed your posture? Not when you're posing, but when you're tired, on your phone, driving, sitting for hours. Poor posture doesn't just show up as a crisis. It creeps in as neck stiffness, shoulder tightness, and a rounded back that makes you look and feel older than you are. Today, I'll walk you through 5 movements that reset your posture, open your shoulders, and reclaim space in your upper body. If you want to look strong, move freely, and age powerfully, this posture reset flow is a non-negotiable. Let's jump in. This simple yet powerful stretch targets the front side of your body, the chest and shoulders, which tighten from hours of sitting, scrolling, or slouching. When these muscles lock up, they pull your shoulders forward, collapse your posture, and strain your spine. Opening them back up resets your alignment and makes you feel instantly taller, lighter, and more energized. Think of this as a passive shoulder opener that also targets your upper spine. You'll feel a deep release through the arms, lats, and upper back, especially if you've been hunched over screens. This isn't just about mobility, it's about undoing the damage of modern life and training your body to open, not fold. Now we introduce lateral movement. This kneeling stretch opens up the obliques, intercostal muscles, and lats, helping you breathe deeper, rotate better, and move with more grace. Most people never train side-to-side movement, but real-world strength doesn't just move forward, it rotates, bends, and reaches. This is how you regain that natural fluidity and balance. Balance is a goal, and that left side needs just as much love. The side angle stretch relieves stiffness in the ribs and spine, improves spinal extension, and promotes better shoulder positioning. If you feel compressed or heavy in your torso, this move creates instant expansion. Your body will feel lighter, looser, and more aligned, just like it should. It might sound playful, but it's serious business for your spine. This movement activates your core, hips, and shoulders while bringing awareness to your full posture in motion. Most people lose this kind of body control with age, but this move brings it back. It's not just about strength, It's about restoring the natural rhythm and rotation that keeps your spine healthy for life. If you ignore posture, your body pays a price. Not all at once, but little by little, until stiffness becomes pain and pain becomes limitation. But you don't have to go down that path. These 5 movements can retrain your body to open up, move freely, and stand tall again. Don't wait until your shoulders are locked up and your back aches just from standing. Start now, so 10 years from today, your body still feels like home.